Blessed love. So I want to encourage a man out there today that feels like being emotionally detached is a manly thing. No, it's not manly, it is dysfunctional, and we have to call it what it is. You know, some of us, we have been brought up, we have been grown up in a society, in a culture that promotes unhealthy men, that promotes the dysfunction of men, that tells men that, guess what, you can't be soft, you can't show your emotions. And then as I say, you can't show emotions, but you can't show certain emotions like sadness, but it's okay to show anger. You see that? You see the trick? It's okay to show things like anger because it is more aggressive, and we attach aggressiveness to being manly. But listen, being sad, being vulnerable, that is also a part of your makeup. So understand this. Being detached is not manly, it is dysfunctional. Yeah? So I could throw away the foolishness and do the thing better, man. Sure.